Three iconic southern Thailand destinations, often visited together from Phuket or Krabi. 1. James Bond Island. Officially named Koh Tapu or Koh Phing Khan, this limestone karst is globally famous for its starring role in the 1974 James Bond film, The Man with the Golden Gun. You won't actually step onto Koh Tapu, but rather the adjacent Koh Phing Khan, where you'll find small caves, souvenir stalls, and plenty of photo opportunities with James Bond Island in the background. 2. Phang Nga Bay. A beautiful, shallow bay located between the island of Phuket and the mainland of Krabi. It's an area of immense natural beauty, characterized by dramatic sheer limestone karsts that jut vertically out of the emerald green waters. The unique topography, with hundreds of islands and islets, sea caves, and hidden lagoons, creates a truly otherworldly landscape. 3. Hong Island. There are a few Hong Islands in the region, but the most famous one is part of the Thon Bok Korani National Park. Known for its stunning enclosed lagoon, accessible through a narrow channel at high tide. Inside, you're surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and calm, clear water, creating a natural, serene swimming pool. The island also boasts beautiful white sand beaches,